Now, new developments in a Channel 2 Action News investigation. We're hearing exclusively from the doctor accused of posting pictures of a decapitated baby to his social media page. Dr. Jackson Gates spoke exclusively to investigative reporter Ashley Lincoln about why he decided to post such things. Ashley live now at the Fulton County Courthouse with his reaction to the judge's ruling in this case. Ashley?
Yeah, Justin, we found out the judge ruled him liable because he did not respond to that lawsuit that was filed back in September. I spoke with the doctor this afternoon, and he told me he hasn't responded because he can't find an attorney who would represent him.
When you called me and asked me, did I know that there was a default, that the judge had made a default decision against me, I was dumbfounded.
Independent pathologist Dr. Jackson Gates says it was news to him when he learned a Fulton County judge ruled he's liable for posting pictures of a decapitated baby to a social media page without consent from the baby's parents.
We just want justice for our son. They lied to us.
Parents Jessica Ross and Travion Taylor filed 2 lawsuits, one against Southern Regional Medical Center, staff, and their OBGYN for allegedly lying and attempting to cover up that their baby was decapitated during childbirth. And the second lawsuit is against Dr. Gates for posting images of the baby's autopsy to a social media page. What were your intentions behind making that post?
I felt a need to expose this because I was shocked, just like many people are concerned and expressing emotional concerns about.
Attorney Roderick Edmond, who represents the baby's parents, says Gates has yet to respond to their lawsuit and told me it was egregious for Gates to post those images. Gates says he's not intentionally avoiding litigation. He says it's been impossible to hire an attorney who would represent him.
I'm trying my best to seek a civil defense attorney.
He says he did not violate HIPAA by making these posts because he never identified the baby.
I feel extremely attacked. Right now, my business is suffering. I'm all on media with people saying, you ought to be killed yourself. You did this to this baby, as if I cut the baby's head off.
Gates maintains he was only trying to advocate for what had been done to baby Travion.
When I'm trying to expose a homicide, that was the most horrendous I've ever seen in my life.
And now this case will be set for a trial date where either a judge or a jury will rule how much money Dr. Gates will have to pay the victim's family in this case. Again, Dr. Gates is looking for an attorney who will represent him. Reporting live in downtown, Ashley Lincoln, Channel 2 Action News.
Severe